All right, guys, today we're looking at what I am listing on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Picked these up last week. Average buy cost per item was $5.60 a piece. Here we have a Nike t-shirt, long sleeve. Never seen anything like this one. It's got a lot of cool different elements to it. And so looking forward to selling that. No sold comps. We're taking a risk on that one. We got a Brooks Brothers red fleece plaid shirt. This exact shirt recently sold for $29 plus shipping. We paid a little over $5. We've got this Brooks Brothers Milano plaid shirt, a recent sold comp, sold for $29 plus shipping. We got it for a little over $5. Got this pair of Ariat jeans. This is the M4 low-rise boot cut. Really nice cowboy jeans or Western jeans. With those shirts also, they all have to be like ironed today and pressed in order to get them listed. Got this very unique pair of green Levi's 501s. Looking forward to selling these. There was only one pair like this that was sold recently for $49 plus shipping. We've got this pair of vintage Levi's 505s, but this is the made in Canada version. Made in Canada is a little bit more desirable, $49 plus shipping on those. We've got this Field and Stream size medium Sherpa lined flannel. It's got the corduroy shoulder pads or shoulder, not pads rather, but shoulder pieces, segments, whatever you want to call it. It's also got pockets, which is pretty cool. So it's kind of like a jacket feel to this. No sold comps on this one, but I think we can get $25 plus shipping. And then last but not least for today, 511 Tactical concealed carry jeans. It's got the concealed carry pockets in it, inside, outside. These go for about $39 plus shipping on eBay. That's what we're listing today.